Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So a little bit of a different picture compared to what's happening on the S&P. And let me just get this level right because it's not 100% right. And then a little bit lower down, and there's a gap here. So that's kind of the zone that we are flirting with. We do have an inside bar here. Trend is up. We had a pin bar here, we've got an inside bar here, another inside bar, so pretty much ranging at the moment. Oscillator's not really in any position to give us any information. Look at the 3 hour. Lots of buyers coming in this zone, but still some sellers trying to put pressure on. I still think we are just looking for an area of structure to bounce off at the moment. I think the trend is relatively strong to the upside. And we do have a little bit of divergence brewing on the 3 hour, but the fact that the buyers are coming in this area is a situation that I don't really want to be shorting against. Anyway, let's just look at price action for the hour. As expected, big up, big down, continuation. Not really divergence, but there is a triangle here. There's a triangle. So it can break either way. Not necessarily because we are looking like at the start of a downtrend that we're going to break the downside. I just have a feeling we're waiting for some catalyst. And I'm not sure what that catalyst is that we're waiting for, but we're waiting for something to get going. So this to me is still quietly. The only difference from yesterday's price action was the day before. The day before was all over, above and below the moving averages. This one we've been staying below the 50-minute moving averages, so trending down. But as soon as it gets going, it just reverses in the opposite direction, and that's just how you stress yourself out. You start jumping in for unnecessarily. So I'm sit on hands, guys. I'm still sit on hands in the DAX. I'm not really interested in losing money. So if we get down to 15,714, 15,671, then I'd start looking for opportunities to buy into it. But that's going to be a longer term play, so we'll have to be cautious about that. And the other alternative would be probably not really the high of yesterday, but the second swing high, which is going to be 15,841. A decent move above that. A break and retest of that would possibly get me looking at something. But yeah, we were swinging 100 points. I just want to get down to 5 minutes. I think that's, yeah, there we go. And look at the gaps. You can see we have a strong move down with gaps. So whenever you see this kind of price action, if you are short, you need to be watching very carefully, because the minute you see green candles, you're out. Any level that you're at, you're out immediately, because you would expect these gaps to be closed, and then they were, but with gaps to the upside. So gaps to the downside, gaps to the upside, gaps to the downside, gaps to the upside. That's just crazy price action, and the euro is doing the same thing. Anyway, I'm out of this. I'm not really interested in this. If we do start building a base for a swing high, I will be waiting for that. But until we get above these moving averages on the 15-minute, trend is down. You should be looking to sell and go with the trend. But you've got so many gaps all over the place. I'd be very wary of that. So for me, this is a sit on hands. Probably more of the same crazy, confused price action today. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.